Hello everyone, it's Friday today and it's a busy day today of me today everyone. So busy si Ate Red today dahil Daddy is coming, so I prepare Daddy food today everyone and I do my cleaning. This is my, hello bibihina ako nandyan everyone dahil I clean today and wala lang. I'm just drinking my cola and this is my place everyone. Wala lang, kailangan ko din tapusin yung paglalaba ko. Binabad ko muna and this is my bathroom. So, binabad ko muna yung labahan ko. So, pasensya na kayo dahil marami talaga akong mga stock dyan ng mga pagwapa in my bathroom. So, pakita ko lang, pasilip ko lang, and also here. So, yan. So, this is my small kitchen, everyone. So, pakita ko kung ano ang niluluto ko for today. Actually, bibili pa ako sa labas ng salad, vegetable salad, dahil para additional na rin sa foods ni Daddy. So, yeah. So, this is my kitchen, everyone. So, I make rice already, and this is pinaupuang manok. So, yeah, whole chicken. So, gumawa ko ng pinaupuang manok, everyone, na may mga vegetables inside. Lagyan ko ng lemongrass, ginger, potato, ninjin, and then later, i-add natin yung cabbage, and then, yeah, and then seasoning para maging masarap, and then pakuluan hanggang lumambot. So, this is my foods, and then gagawa na tayo ng salad. Pinit hanggang talagang hapon, everyone. So, mag-grocery ako ulit dahil I want to make a vegetable salad na para pang partner dyan sa whole chicken na pinaupuang manok. And that's Daddy also favorite, everyone. So, yeah, this is my day, and it's very hot, my God. And wala lang, may natirang kunting cola, everyone. Ang dumi ng baso ko, everyone. Ano yan? Kasi kumain ako kanina ng talong. Kasi mura lang ang talong. Bumili ako ng talong at ginawa ko kinilaw na talong. So kumain ako na busog ako. So inom ako ng cola. Dahil may natira. So inumin ko to. Dahil it's a 2 days of my menstruation talagang. I need a cider in my body para, or I want to drink some beer or something para lalabas talaga yung, may kasabihan sa bagong yung beer. Lalabas yung maraming dugo. So, inom tayo mamaya. So, at uminom ako ng cola. O so, ikaw drink cola. Pero kung that's true, but wala lang. Ang sarap lang talaga uminom ng cola. Lalo na sa init na panahon. Iwan ko lang kung bakit masarap uminom ng cola, everyone. So, this is my day. So, mamaya mag-grocery tayo and then maybe I will go to Matsudo mamaya dahil mayroon akong titingnan doon. So, titingnan natin kung ano talaga ang mangyari today. So, kung saan ako pupunta dahil nag-isipan ko ba dahil itong ang init ang panahon, ito talaga ang nakaka-distract sa ating mga plans, no? But I have a lot of plan to make more clothes today dahil gusto ko mag-live stream bukas. So, I have a time pa. So, chill muna ako dito. And have a lovely day. Kisses everyone. Don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel and thank you so much for the viewings. And yeah, I am the creator of Miss Red & Co. Bye!